Hello everybody, from the main navigation click on Call Logs. This will open all the calls that have been made. This is an informative screen. On this screen you will see the number from which the call has been made and the number to which the call has been made, the status, date and time, total duration, and how much is the cost of the call. On the next button when you click it will open the call details. Top is the call summary. That is the whole summarization, the conversation that is opened, and then call recording is present, and here in the transcript, the whole transcript of the call is available. Then additional details are also available. These are also from number to number, and then the call ID. It is the system-generated ID. Then the total duration of the call, status of the call, which you have seen on the screen outside also, and then the call outcome, which is actually the overall result of the call that our assistant has anticipated about this call. Thank you.